Hello all, welcome to Stock Analysis World. Today we will do detailed analysis on Canara Bank stock. Canara Bank, India's one of the largest public sector bank. It has strong presence across India. Over several years, this bank improved significantly on asset quality, profitability, and healthy loan growth. However, like other banks faced, this bank also faced pressure for narrowing interest margins as interest rate evolved. This bank has diversified loan book across retail, corporate, MSME and agriculture. It has very strong digital banking presence and it continues to expand its services on digital banking. Let me tell business strengths. The first business strength is it was backed by Government of India. Strong Government of India support is there. That is the biggest advantage. And second thing, larger banking franchisee. Around 10,000 branches are there across India. Third one is very good asset quality. Bad loans considerably reduced, around 1.83 percentage NPA. Net NPA reduced to 0.43. So, by improving the asset quality, it gained the customer's confidence. Strong earnings growth is there. So, over the recent years, it has shown net profit growth and operating efficiency is also increasing. The valuation of the stock is very good. Okay, it is always undervalued. When compared to its competitive banks, the valuation is much reasonable. The stock PE is 6.3 whereas industry PE is 7.3. It has very strong capital adequacy which shows us the future growth prospects in the area of loan growth. Year on year PAT increased 22% and business expanded 11% and loan book grew 12%. This stock is not only income stock but also growth stock. It has successfully and constantly paying dividend over the years and last year around 3.3 percentage it paid as a dividend amount. Let me talk about growth drivers. Asset quality improvement, net profit improvement, operating efficiency improvement, infrastructure financing, retail banking financing, corporate financing, MSME financing, digital banking initiatives, and cross financial product selling. Okay, these are all the growth drivers for this bank. Let me talk about risks. The first risk is interest margin pressure. This risk is present not only for this bank but also many other PSU banks. Lower interest margins always affects earnings of the bank. Second risk is we cannot observe PSU bank stock price steady growth. We can observe the swings of the stock price cyclically. For every cycle, it will fall and rise. So this is also one of the risk. And third one is regulations given by the RBI. RBI regulatory changes can affect banks' growth. Another risk is Government of India ownership. Large amount of stocks under Government of India ownership. So this can affect the strategic decisions taken by the bank. And economic recession also one of the risk. In a recession, it can affect bank profitability and earnings as well. Now the stock price is around 125 rupees as of now, and the growth factor is 6. Earnings per share is around 20 rupees, and net profit is 20,000 crores. For the last 5 years, the stock grown from 30 rupees to 160 rupees, and now it is under consolidation phase after several years spike in the stock price. Now the stock is under consolidation phase. Okay, after several years it grown and now it is under consolidation phase and the future growth is expected. So investors are showing interest to invest on this stock expecting the future growth. and current valuation also very good, and it is trading at 0.96 times of its book value. This stock financing profit considerably and steadily it has been increasing over the several years, and profit before tax also same, gradually it is increasing. And net profit also same, it is slowly and constantly it has been increasing over the several years. The cash flow is positive and it is steadily increasing, and the cash flow from operating activity also increasing, so it shows the strong operating efficiency of the bank. And ROE value also, steadily it is increasing, and it reached to 16% as of financial year 2026. Regarding shareholder pattern, major portion of the stocks are under Government of India, that is around 60 to 63 percentage, and it is constantly maintaining, neither decreased nor increased. And DAIs, they slightly reduced their percentage several years, for the last several years, and FIIs they slightly increased, and public also they slightly increased their stake in this bank. I expect next 3 to 5 years, if it continues to grow its loan book, net profit, and asset quality, okay, we can expect very strong long-term returns from this stock. A recent activity has been observed in this. Veteran investor Rekha Jhunjhunwala, she reduced her stake in this bank for the quarter April to June. Okay, that doesn't influence, or that doesn't mean that there is a change in the fundamentals of the stock. I think it is more towards the portfolio management. This stock is very much suitable for those who have investment horizon around 5 to 10 years, and those who have, those who are value investors, and those who expect a strong dividend from the bank, from the stock, and those who expect growth in the stock, they both can invest in this bank. And I think this bank shows attracts both short term and long term investors, because those who can understand the periodic cycles of the PSU banks, they can do swing trading very easily on this bank. And second thing, short term investors also, when the cycle return back, then if they when it is growing back, if they invest, they can gain short term gains as well. And long term investors anyway, they see the strong fundamentals and then they invest, so they can definitely gain the profits over a period of time. This is detailed analysis of Canara Bank stock. I will give daily one stock analysis to you. If you felt worthful it is, then refer my channel to your friends and family members. Otherwise, write comments below. Okay, thank you very much.